Hello lovely people, it is that time again. I know some of you sit on the edge of your kitchen stools waiting for the next riveting episode of Cheese of the Week, and here it is, thank goodness, episode 42. This is our 42nd exciting cheese that we have shared with you.
We eat a lot of cheese.
We have finally got around to some Brie. Now Brie is not my favourite cheese, however that, by the way, is Yogi Parker. This is imported soft ripened cheese, double cream Brie. So it was the double cream that kind of sucked me in. It's buttery and creamy, but I actually couldn't find a brand on here.
I believe we got that at Trader Joe's.
It is, I don't think we did, because there's nothing Trader Joey on there. It would say, and there's nothing.
Okay.
But it is imported from Canada. So it's Canadian, but I don't really see a brand on it. Anyway, it looks like that, and I can't remember where we bought it, but it's double cream Brie. And there's lots and lots of double cream Bries, and actually Trader Joe's has a triple cream Brie that at some point we will purchase some and share it with you.
Now, I do like Brie, but I typically cook my Brie. And my favorite way of doing the Brie is I take bacon and I layer it out into a spiral pattern, making sure all pieces are connected. And then I fold the bacon over the Brie and air fry it. And oftentimes I will put something on top of the Brie, like some strawberries and basil or some caramelized onions and garlic, something like that, and then bake it up in, usually when I was on the truck, I would do it in my my Ninja Foodie on the air fryer mode, and I would have a delicious baked Brie in bacon.
How decadent. Can you imagine having a baked Brie on a truck?
That was trucker food.
Now, I guess I could have left this out a little bit longer because it's not very soft at all. So you probably want to leave it out longer than I did. I left it to the end, but anyway.
Typically with Brie too, you want to leave it out till it's like room temperature, unless you're going to cook it.
Yeah. Do you eat the rind?
I do.
The rind is very unappealing to me. So I'm going to cut it off. I also, though, although I'm not a fan of Brie, I do like the baked Brie. I was expecting this to be a lot runnier, so I came prepared with some croutons.
The rind on cheeses like Brie can be very strong and pungent in flavor, and sometimes even almost like a little horseradishy type kind of goes up to your nose. What I mean by that?
No.
And
no.
So the
no. No. No.
So anyway, the Brie is very much got that funky flavor and smell to it, which is why I prefer to cook it. But that rind, as we've had a couple of our rock stars suggest, is very good for adding flavors to gravy, soups, and sauces.
No. 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 No.
Yeah. That's
No. Okay, bye.
That's Jim Socks.
You can finish this episode off. See you next week, people. No, I'm gonna take these with me. Finish up. Bye.
Okay. So yeah, this is some very funky flavor, and typically that's why I like to cook my Brie, because it will cut some of that funk off quite a bit, and this brie in particular is really funky. So, yeah, that's, yeah, gym socks is a good way to explain it. Yeah, it tastes like athlete's foot. So,
No!
yeah, if we ever do a brie again, I'm just going to go ahead and make the baked brie, and we're going to have it that way because I don't know if we can tolerate this again. All right. If you like the videos and you want to see what other funky cheeses we have and see some reactions that were even worse than that one, especially the truffle cheese, check out our videos on our archive. Also hit the like and subscribe button, leave a comment below, hit the little bell on the side right there so you can get alerted any time a new video comes out. We have a lot of really cool stuff that we do on our channel, including recipes, skills videos for the kitchen. We have the Fatty Joe Show, which has some really intelligent people coming through and giving all kinds of talks. And Carrie's got some fabulous recipes up there for holidays and things like that that are just fantastic. And also check out carriebrown.com. Get some great cookbooks, including the Ice Cream Scoop cookbook, one of my favorites, which is the Keto Crockpot cookbook. And you can really learn how to up your keto game and your low carb game with some delicious recipes that are done by an awesome pastry chef. All right, everybody. See you later.
Bye!